Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica Emery. I'm taking you on a walk right now this Valentine's Day, or Eve should I say. I have had no time today, but it's been such a beautiful, beautiful day. Finally taking the dog out, so I'm taking you with me. Oh my gosh, today, a day of love. Actually, it's all about love, always, but today especially is so celebrated everywhere. And I'm feeling so good because I cleaned out my walk-in closet and got rid of literally like half of my closet. It's still jam-packed and full, so I'm not really sure where I even fit the rest of the clothing, but I had garbage bags, like big black leaf bags full of clothing. And what's so fun is the kids only had half a day of school today, so my cleaner brought her daughter to the house, and before I had someone just come over to the house to pick up the rest of the bags to take them to an orphanage to donate them, my cleaner's daughter was able to go through everything and take a ton, like garbage bags full for herself. So I feel so good, like the clothing is going to be worn and used and loved, which is so great, because this morning I had poured it all out to get it organized, and it was one of those things, you know how you still see tags on things, and I'm like, maybe I want to keep this, and then I was like, maybe I don't. So I had an entrepreneurial downtown a workshop today, which is an amazing group of women. I'm so grateful that I found them, and there are always activities. Today we did a workshop on money. And what a perfect day to have this workshop, because it was all about loving your money and like having a relationship with your money, which so many people don't realize that money is energy, just like us, and that money loves to move. It loves to flow. And that means is when you spend money, money will come back. When you hold on to money super tightly, it has a tendency not to grow, because it feels it's in constriction. So we did a lot of like worksheets and things, and wrote a letter to money, and money wrote a letter to us. What was super cool, she used this kind of as a, I don't know if you call it a reference or not, but she was saying, imagine money like going to the therapist. Like you have a relationship with money, and you're both going to a therapist, and you sit on the couch and you look at the money, and the money gets to talk and you get to talk. What would your money say to you? That's a big question to kind of feel into, because money is such a big topic. And the questions that we did, many people had a lot of stuff coming up around their childhood. Things opened up that they didn't even realize they were holding. And if you're holding things from your childhood because your parents told you money didn't grow on trees, or there was never enough, depending on how you were raised or you grew up, if that stuff is in your subconscious, you're not even aware that that's why your money isn't growing right now, because your money should be always growing and moving if you're taking action and creating impact for other people. It's just law. It's how it works. So that was super exciting. We did that. More to come. I'll do another video. This is just like a quick Valentine update, because I'm in here 365. And then, oh my gosh, we had a Zoom meeting with one of our clients, Dasha Love, and myself, one of our Story to Millions clients that is just wrapping up her book. And she wrapped up her book, so her book is going to publishing, but we also created a website for her. So this is someone that came into our world who had an idea, and now not only does she have photos knocked out for her brand built, like all the colors, all the things, she has a book that is going to publishing, and she has a website. Like she has a legit business with a funnel set up, and already ideas too that I have pitched on how she can use this book as leverage to, you know, bring in the clients that she desires to have. And it's gonna be so good. Like, it's wild how much we have accomplished in such a short time. It's only been a couple of months. So Dasha and I work together. It's a sprint, but we meet every week, and it's just so freaking good. It's so freaking good. I'm so mind blown by the entire process, honestly, but Dasha and I are just, we make magic together. So I love it. So it has been a full day over here. The kids are home. I'm going back right now to pop in the shower so that we can go out to dinner. And tomorrow will be a new day. And I'll have something legit to talk to you about because today I'm just taking you on a walk. How beautiful is this? Can we just talk about the fact that I live here and it is just such perfection? I'm so happy, and the sun is setting right now in front of me. It's just absolutely glorious, and like, pinch me, am I dreaming? This is my life, and I created it this way, and you can too if you want to break out of brick and mortar or your corporate job. There's a lot of talk about that today too, where they were capped, where they couldn't grow. Oh my gosh, go back and look at my video, 4 ways to make money. You guys, such an epiphany there, and that is absolutely what I'm going to be teaching all of you is levels 3 and 4, how to make infinite income on autopilot. Okay, that's the dog, and here comes the dog. So I'm going to leave it here before it gets very, very loud, and I will see you tomorrow on the next episode.